These kids, man. They're just so annoying. Uh-oh. Look at that, Epona, and... Ugh, what is that hairline? Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to part 2 of sound effects. Yeah. And I guess we have to start off my day with, getting annoyed by these little twats. Alright, let's give the people what they want.
Oh, Fuego! Did ya hear? They're selling a slingshot at the store right now. A slingshot! I wonder how powerful it is. I must try it. Talo, if you and Malo want it so badly, just buy it at my parents' house. Don't you mean the shop? And did you see any rubies in my hand? I can't afford that thing. Come on, Beth. Can't you just loan it to us for a while? You know I get in trouble for that. If you two want it, save up your allowances or something. But our allowances are terrible. I wish I was born into a family with a slingshot instead of one with a water wheel.
That is crazy. Well, you know what? You ever heard of water breathing second form? Yeah, on some Tanjiro type stuff. Alright, well, let's go get some money because apparently we're broke as well. You good?
Oh, good morning to you. Did you come to get the fishing rod that Colin made? I'm really sorry, but would you hear me out first? You have not seen a cradle come floating by here, have you? It is a baby's cradle made of finely woven tree bark. Oh, such a misfortune. How far could I have drifted, I wonder?
Don't worry, ma'am. I will find your cradle or whatever. But I need money first, so... Nothing's happening. Oh, there's one rupee. Is there any more? I need more. Hey! Don't waste food! Shut the f*** up. Yo, Fuego! Up here. Ugh, fine. Yo, there you are. Check this out. You know Sierra at the general store? Well, isn't that her cat over there? He's just been sitting there next to my house, having a staring contest at the creek. You don't suppose he's thinking to catch a fish, do you? A cat can't catch no fish. Anyway, that's not what I was meaning to tell you about. I want you to take a look at something. See that grass growing there on the edge of that rock? Haven't I seen you whistling that stuff before? I figured it was pretty rare to see it growing in a place like that, so I thought I'd let you know. I bet you could hop across it. Alrighty then, boom! Thanks, bud. Now we got the cradle. Okay,
Oh, Fuego! That cradle! Did you go to the trouble of finding it for me? My thanks to you. Oh, that reminds me. There is something I'm supposed to give you. Do you think you can carry that cradle and come with me back to my house?
yeah, fast forward this part. She walks slow.
My thanks to you, Fuego. Yes, I had nearly forgotten. I am supposed to give you this. All right, here you go.
You got a fishing rod. A simple fishing rod with a bobber. I know I shouldn't waste food, but there's money in these pumpkins. And I'm broke. Alright. Man, I don't want to end this video, but like, I know a lot of people get bored, and plus, this series is like, each episode is like less than 10 minutes. I don't want to carry on too much, but let's fish. Alright. Oh, shoot. Alright. Wait until the bobber moves, and then we catch fish. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Whoa. Caught a green gill. 11 inches. Oh, well, mine's 12, but you know, we don't want to talk about it. What the? Hey! That's my 11 inches! Stinking cat! Ugh. Just wonderful. And I was like trying to compare it to my 12 inches. Gotta climb up this ladder. There we go. Oh.
What's good, shorty?
I don't know where else to get more currency. Oh, there. Okay. Got nowhere else to go. Oh, pumpkins. Okay. This is gonna suck. First, let's go check and see how expensive this slingshot is. It can't be that much, right? Sierra's Sundries. Oh my! Fuego! Come in. Oh, you simply must hear this. My little kitty cat is so amazing. Today he caught a fish all by his little old self. Lady, first of all, you suck at dialogue. Second, he did not catch anything. How do you think he caught it? Maybe he's a genius. You're looking at the genius, you moron! Oh, just look. Isn't he so cute? The way he laps up that milk. Say, my dear, why don't you have some too? You got milk in a bottle, but this bottle's half empty. It replenishes 3 hearts, though. Alright, nice. Well, how much is that slingshot? 30? I literally have 4 rupees away. Okay. I miss. I will be right back.
A few moments later.
Hey, miss. I can buy that slingshot now. You're too old for toys? Bull-larky. I should tell you, you can also use pumpkin seeds. Ah. You got a slingshot. Children love this item. You can hold up to 50 pellets. Alright. Thanks, miss. All good. Thank you. Alright, well, ladies and gentlemen, this will be the end of part 2, Twilight Princess HD with sound effects. If you enjoyed, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the like button, subscribe.